Hey everybody, welcome to Mixing with the Geek. Today I'll be making a dark and stormy, which is one of my absolute favorite drinks, and it just so happens to be the paired cocktail for the March 2016 Vinyl Me Please featured album Long Way Home by Lapsley. Now, dark and stormies are very simple to make. We can build it right in the glass, which is what we're gonna be doing today, and it only requires 3 ingredients, which are lime juice, ginger beer, and rum. In this case, we are using an 8-year Colombian rum called PARCE, and this is relatively new to me, but it is fantastic, so if you can find it, definitely pick up a bottle. All right, let's begin. Now, as I said before, you can build this right in a glass, and so I'm gonna be using a highball glass, but you can use a shorter, more stout, kind of a whiskey glass. I just find these are better for anything that's carbonated, which is ginger beer. Now we're gonna start by juicing a half a lime, or in my case, since I have smaller limes, I'm gonna juice the whole darn thing. Take my juice press and just gonna go directly into it, into the glass like this. Just press it all the way down. And I kind of like to turn it a little bit, get all that juice out. And I do the same thing for the other half. Just kind of squeeze it. There we go. Next, we're gonna add about 4 ounces of ginger beer. All right, guys, now we're gonna fill this glass up with some cracked ice. Now you'll notice I didn't completely fill the glass with ice because I wanted to save a little bit of room at the top for our rum. So let's add 2 ounces of our PARCE 8-year-old rum. Now we're just gonna grab a little swizzle stick to swirl. These happen to be the official Vinyl Rewind swizzle sticks. There we go. And finally, we're just gonna add a little straw. Boom. And there you have a dark and stormy. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, that rum is delicious. Oh, I love this. This isn't too sweet because I use Seabold, which is more on the drier side, so it's got a lot of ginger, a lot of bite, and that lime juice really just kind of sits on top, and the rum really adds a nice mouthfeel. I'm really digging this cocktail. Well guys, this has been how to make a dark and stormy. Hope you have fun making your own. I want to thank you again for watching, and be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.